video is on how to buy WikiCat using Penny Wallet. For some of you that have been asking, how can I buy WikiCat? I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the ending of it, so you get every details on how to go about it. Okay. Now this is coin market cap. Okay. I want to show us something. Just check out it. This is their overview. This is the overview. This is the community. This is the market. Let's proceed. Okay. In case you want to, you are looking for how to copy WikiCat contract address and drop in your trust wallet, to come to about. If you click on that about, okay, go down. This is a contract address. If you open here, you see the contract address. Can you see it? So you can equally come here and copy it. Now, but in the case of Penny Wallet, you don't need to copy any contracts because WikiCat is already activated inside Penny Wallet. So how do you get Penny Wallet? Go to your Play Store, download it right away with your Android phone. Check out if it's on iPhone, so iPhone version. You can download it through Play Store. Then write down your 12-seed phrase, the same way it is in Trust Wallet. Keep it in a safe place, please. Don't save it in your Gmail or WhatsApp or any online store, so that in case if anything happens to those areas or they are being hacked, your wallet will not be affected. Write it in a very big book. Okay. Now, WikiCat, check them out on Twitter. They're on Twitter. They're on Facebook. If you click on each of these, you see them. Click on their Telegram. You just join them. Are you hearing me? Let's check out them on. Let me know. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, let's proceed to Penny Wallet. Let's continue. You want to buy WikiCat in Penny Wallet. If you download your Penny Wallet, this is my own Penny Wallet, you will see your WikiCat. It's already activated, as I said earlier. It's already activated. Are you getting it? Good and fine. So you must have your USDT. Look at USDT, BEP20. I have some pieces here, my USDT. What do? You click on this WikiCat you want to buy. You click on your WikiCat. Okay, just click on it. Click on it. All right, you see swap done. Check out here, you see swap. Click on this swap button. Click on it. Click on it and that's swap again. All right. Now, if you want to use your USDT to buy WikiCat, you tap this arrow here to make sure USDT is up and WikiCat is down. Do you hear me? If you want to buy your WikiCat using USDT, USDT will be up. Let me show you. Tap on this arrow now. This is how it's supposed to be. You see it? Can you see how my own is? If you want to buy, make sure this USDT up, WikiCat is down. You want to buy. Okay. Then you click on maximum. Maybe I want to use all my USDT. Click on this maximum. Let me click on it. If I click on it, I'll be getting, this is a figure I'll be getting, that 8 million for $7. Okay. You go ahead and click on preview app. Once you click on preview app, you will see confirm app. You click on confirm app, it will be successfully added to your Penny Wallet. Are you hearing me? Make sure it's this way. USDT is up. If you don't want to use all, that's maximum all, you click on half. Want to use half of your USDT. You look, okay, let's assume I want to use, let me click on half. Okay, let's assume I want to use 4 USDT here to buy this WikiCat. This is the figure I'll be getting, 19 million pieces at $3.99. Are you seeing it? Now, when I'm making this video, you click on your preview app. Click on preview app. If you click on this preview app now, it will load and take you to the next page, which is confirm swap. From this preview swap, click on it. It will take you to the next page, which is confirm swap. You click on that confirm swap. Immediately, it will be added to your Penny Wallet. Are you getting it? It will be added to your Penny Wallet. Are you hearing me? Now, assuming say your WikiCat is pumping. This WikiCat is pumping. It's pumping. You are seeing from $3. You are seeing like $200. How do you swap? How do you swap it to USDT? How do you take your profit? You click on the same WikiCat. Let's click on it. How to take profit on WikiCat, I'm showing you now. I'm teaching you guys. Okay, this is swap. Look at swap down. This same swap, you click on this same swap. I tap on it. If my WikiCat is pumping, for example, I want to take profit. You touch this arrow here, touch it. Make sure make sure WikiCat is up. I touch it. Can you see? I want to take profit. WikiCat is up, USDT is down. I want to swap this my WikiCat to USDT to get USDT. That's the meaning. You want to swap this your WikiCat to do what? To get USDT. Maybe I want to swap all. If I want to swap, I click on maximum. If I want to swap half, I don't want to tamper all my bag. I'll just take half. If I want to swap all, let's see it. You click on maximum. Let me click on maximum. Click on it. The reason why it's not showing because I've not bought, but I'm showing how to buy. Okay, I have WikiCat in other wallets. So if you click on maximum, it will show you how much that maximum is on USDT. Now, if you say no, I am not taking all my profit because this WikiCat will pump after today again. It's going to pump higher. You take half. That half will still appear. You see how many USDT that half will be giving you. You click on preview swap. Once you click on this preview swap, it will open the next page, which is confirm swap. You click on that confirm swap. Once you click on that confirm swap, you come over to your wallet. You'll be seeing the amount you have been able to swap in your USDT here. The amount you have been able to swap, you see it in this USDT. Are you hearing me? Yes, you see it. It will appear right there. To be sitting here. Then, what you do is, you go to, assume you want to sell it in gate.io exchange. You go to gate.io, gate, and sell it through the P2P. You go to your gate.io exchange. Look for USDT there. Tap on it to see deposit and withdraw. Click on deposit. You see USDT in Ethereum, USDT in Ton, USDT in BEP20. You see that on BEP20, go for the one of BEP20. You copy the address of BEP20, you come to this very USDT. You tap on it. Can you see? You tap on it. And you come to this swap. Send. You come to send. You click on send. Click on that arrow. Are you seeing me? Are you seeing it? Now that address, that USDT BEP20 address, you copy in your gate.io exchange. You come and paste it here. You click on this paste. It will be added there. As soon as you click on that paste, that address will appear here. Understand? You go ahead. You click here. Then you follow the next step. To be sent to your gate.io exchange. Understand? You go to gate.io and check out if it is there. If it is there, let me show you gate.io. Let me show you the app. Let me see if I have it here. Now that, see my gate.io. You see, you must have it. Go to Play Store, download it. Use your ID card, your NIN ID card or your BVN, whichever will verify it so that you'll be using their P2P to sell your token to get your fiat money. That's your physical currency. Thank you so much. I wouldn't want this video to be too long. So if you find this update helpful, please subscribe, comment, share, and like.